guys. Okay, let's open this up. Let's see what we got. I don't know. Let's see. I love Prime. I can buy whatever I need, and I don't have to leave my house or stand in line. It's kind of nice. And it's super duper fast too. Alright, this is something big. What is it? It's light though. Huh. Well, let's see. Excel EP600. Oh, so I have been stressing over my labels, and one of my soaping buddies recommended this little guy for for doing your labels. So you put your piece of paper here, and you just pull your tape over it, and it flattens. So it's very much like this, but hopefully a lot less messy. We'll see how that works. And then if you had little labels, I guess you could use your gun, which mine is very dirty right now. Sorry about that. I should probably wipe it down. So I did order rolls of tape. It comes in this size, and we shall try it out. So do you want to help me name it? This is an actual piece of equipment that I'm very excited about because I am label handicapped. I always get labels that look kind of, and I want my labels to look nice. So, and the last time I had labels printed at Online Labels, I ordered one sheet of labels, one sheet of lip balm labels, and they were super cute, but shipping was $35 US, and I was charged another $25 by the courier. So it cost me over $60, $70 with the exchange rate for one sheet of labels. To say I was not impressed. I even contacted the company, but they didn't make it better. But you know, I bought one of their products, and now I can use their online label software, and I really do like some of their pre-printed stuff. So for that, yeah. But if you're in Canada, it's a little more expensive than other places. So I'm going to be making my own. Lesson learned. And I may hate it or I might love it. We'll see. We'll see how it goes. It's something to try. And yeah, you just try. And this was recommended by another soap maker. So let's hope it goes well. If you enjoyed this, please click like and subscribe and come on back to My Soapy Kitchen anytime. We will be using this week. So come and see how it's done. Bye for now.